I'd like to see older patients use technology better, and I'm trying to figure out ways to do that in my clinical trial that I am working on now. For example, I'm trying to figure out if we can use laptop monitoring of vital signs and symptoms at home. So I'm working with a group at Cornell to try and develop a home monitoring system where patients could tell me how they felt a particular day, and we could measure things like vital signs or even hemoglobin through the web. So it's not exactly the same as going to the doctor, but it's a way that every single day you can keep an eye on what's going on in a patient who's at home. I'm trying to get older patients to do surveys and to, we're looking at trying to use versions of the iPhone where you can use color basically to tell us how you're feeling, or simple ways that you might be able to transmit information to us that we could use. So I think that the internet has tremendous potential to help us to monitor patients and to sort of learn what on a day-to-day basis how patients are doing on clinical trials. And I think we're just beginning to mine that particular possibility. Now, I'm very interested in using technology to try and keep people at home in their own environment, receiving treatment, but making sure that they are being monitored, carefully for all the complications that could occur. I think that if we're going to reforming healthcare in such a way that we can learn from the way we treat patients, I think would be really, really important. And although I certainly think it's important to spend money on learning new genes that might be associated with diseases, I think we also need to put a lot of research dollars into trying to figure out how to take better care of people and how to prevent diseases, like leukemia, and how to keep people as functional as they can be for as long as possible. What sort of interventions can we make, even when treating people for serious illnesses, that keeps them functional and keeps them content in their lives. So I think there's a lot of work that really needs to be done, and money needs to be more wisely spent, I think, in the healthcare system to do that. I also hope that in healthcare reform that it won't become a rationing of care for the older people, that older people really deserve to have quality of life. And healthcare interventions that improve their quality of life, I think, are really, really important. And I hope that that is not lost in